So in exactly 2 days we are traveling to Europe. Our plane was cancelled 2 times already because I guess of what's happening between Ukraine and Russia. I guess the Russian airspace is closed. Now we finally got one. We're gonna travel from Tokyo to Dubai, and from Dubai to Ljubljana. It's gonna be first a 12-hour flight and then a 6-hour flight. We had to go back because Gaia dropped this. We didn't notice, so Zach ran back to find it, and luckily he's fast. I don't know if you can hear me because it's pretty loud, but that's the shop behind me where we need to buy a few things like snacks, essential things that we need for a long flight with 3 kids. We're gonna find these things here. We got everything we need, or at least what I was searching for. We see us at home, so I can show you exactly what's on our list to survive a 12-hour flight with 3 little kids, and that's pretty much it. And we are back home. The kids are sleeping. Let's talk long flight essentials. We're gonna have a 12-hour flight and then a 6-hour flight. Those items are much needed. It's not only to entertain the kids, some of them are, others are just must-haves, things that you need to have with you to travel. First thing, and the most important thing, without which you cannot travel, it's a travel organizer. I bought this one pretty cheap on Amazon, but it's pretty good quality. I will put the link in the description if you're interested. Inside I will have all our passports, our residence card from Japan, so that we can enter back into Japan. I will have some cash, I have a pen, I have some pictures just in case. I like the fact that it's all in one place, it's well organized, no need to search in different pockets, different bags. I know where it is, it's easy to find, and it's all at the same place. Then if you have kids left, we have Zach and Mark are almost 9 and 7 years old, so they are big enough to watch movies and play games on their tablets, on the plain screens in front of them. So I bought them earphones so that they can enjoy a movie, they can play games without annoying the people around them. And of course they have their screens, they have a tablet, they have a phone that they can use during the flight. And let me tell you that these screens are a lifesaver when it comes to a long flight, because the boys will be hooked, they will watch movies, they will play games, they will sleep, they will eat, so they will be entertained the whole trip. But the little one, Gaia, she will not be watching movies. If you use screens, you need to charge them eventually. Sometimes you have the possibility to recharge your devices directly from the seat, but you never know. I always bring with me a power bank. I've got this one, it's a pretty big power bank, I think it's 20,000 mAh, so I think it will be enough to survive the whole trip. And finally today I got them these neck pillows, because the last time we traveled from Europe to Japan they were pretty grumpy during the night. You know, the sitting position for sleeping is not the best, so at least this time they will have a neck pillow, and maybe it will help them get a better position to sleep and make them less grumpy. And finally, so if you're a parent, you know what I mean, an accident can happen fast. You need spare clothes, especially for baby, because she's the one who's gonna eventually need to be changed, because you know, it happens. Of course, diapers, water bottle, wet wipes, snacks for the boys, obviously, mommy and daddy also. Mask, because, you know, 2022. When we were traveling to Japan, we also got them some papers, some crayons, so that they can draw. But if I'm honest, they stayed in the bag. But let me tell you that the last time we traveled for this long, we were ambitious with Anya. We were thinking maybe the boys will sleep, Guy will fell asleep, we'll be able to watch a movie or two during the flight. Well, I tried, I watched maybe 15 minutes of a movie, and that's it. It's not always like a plan, but at least when you have all the essentials, like I said now, it's gonna help us survive, it's gonna help us go through, and if we don't manage to watch a movie, that's not the end of the world. The boys boys will enjoy the travel. Gaia, we will try to entertain her. At the end, I will let her go around in the plane. She will wave at people, she will make people smile. Maybe she's gonna get tired like this and she's gonna sleep better. So that's it. That was my essential survival guide for a long flight with 3 little kids. We see you in the next video. Peace.